Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check your Premiere Pro version and the extension's required version because mismatches cause install failures. Once done, download the extension package, ZXB or an installer, and verify its source. Make sure Premiere is closed so files can be written safely. This prevents locked file errors. If you use the Adobe Extension Manager or a third-party installer like Anastasi's ZXB installer, place the file in an easy-to-find folder. Also backup presets and workspaces to restore if anything changes. Now install with the tool that matches your package. If you have a ZXB, open Adobe Extension Manager or run ZXB installer. If it's an exe/pkg, run the native installer. Run the installer as an administrator to avoid permission blocks, then choose the target Adobe apps and versions when prompted. Pay attention to extension ID and permission scopes so it can access media and panels. Once the tool confirms success, don't launch Premiere yet. Finish the activation and licensing steps if required. Finish by launching Premiere Pro and opening window extensions to find your new panel. This verifies proper installation. If the extension needs activation, sign in or paste the license key now because many extensions won't function without authorization. Make sure to dock the panel where you want it. If the extension does not appear, reset Premiere preferences, confirm compatibility, and reinstall as administrator. As a troubleshooting tip, check the host app manifest, XML, or logs for manifest errors. Fixing the manifest path often resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.